To some, it is a hobby. To some, it is a passion. And to the rest of us Goans, it is in our blood. Goa, a land of beautiful sunsets, culture, and football. Hello Goa, I'm your host MC Myra DeCosta and welcome back to my channel. Being a footballer is a blessing since it brings joy to others and also ourselves. It unites us on a larger scale, just not to win but also to share and give. We believe in football as a powerful message that can be shared across, so here is a new vision altogether. So stay tuned to the end of this video and know how you also can be a part of our journey. Presenting to you the Ace Soccer Academy.
Good morning to all. I am Mr. M.A. Mutwalli, football coach of Directorate of Sports and Affairs. After retiring from service, I started this Ace Soccer Academy in 2015 for the needy and poor students of Vasco and surrounding areas, and they are developing very much in football, and they are playing for their schools and performing very well, and they are playing for local clubs also, and name like Salgaonkar also. I have 8 to 10 assistants coaches with my academy, and they are doing very well. So now I intend to have little charity for the poor people, because the poor student footballers, because some of them are not having shoes or jersey or nutritions and all. So I have with me some very poor people, so I need a helping hand from one and all to see a good charity goes for football. In this regard, I intend to give this poor and helping hand charity from Ace Soccer Academy.
I am Mr. Umair Mutwalli, the assistant coach of Ace Soccer Academy. And as you heard earlier, my father, Mr. M.M. Mutwalli, rightly said and proudly said to you all that Ace Soccer Academy was started with the aim and objective to develop football, as football is more popular in the Vasco constituency. Now, there is a need for us to grow. This is what the entire team with the Ace Soccer Academy felt. And during this difficult time is the right time for us to grow towards the society which is in need. Everybody knows COVID-19 has taught us the right lesson. We have everything, we are lucky. We have food, we have good clothing, we have shelter. We have seen people who don't have a good meal, who don't have a proper house, who don't have clothing. They are struggling. Previous 2 days, 3 days back, I spoke to my own boys and I asked them 3 times, did you have your lunch? Did you have a good diet? And they hesitated, they waited for some time. When they came to meet me, I saw them, their clothes and all, they were not comfortable. They never wanted to come in front of me. This made me put up effort with all of my friends, my colleagues and my father to set up this, to start this for these people. And once you start giving, you forget about getting back, but you will see that happiness, you will see that smile on the faces, and that smile will answer all your queries. So, gift of giving has come from there, and Ace Soccer Academy proudly announces that we are in this and will be helping at least a few to bring a smile on their faces.
Thank you so much for joining us on this video and staying tuned to the end. I hope you can also be a part of this support group, and I'll also leave all the details of contacts down in the link below. So don't forget to go ahead, check out all the details and do contact us, because someone in need is really waiting for you. Be the joy of giving to others. Be the solution, be the change.
Ace Soccer Academy, I love you.
My support and best wishes with Ace Soccer Academy for doing a great job.
Hey Soccer Academy, we love you.
I love Ace Soccer Academy. Ace Soccer Academy, gift of giving.
I support Ace Soccer Academy, a gift of giving. Together, let's make a change.
Ace, one team. Are you in?